All right, everybody, welcome back. We are diving deep today into some serious financial wisdom.
Ooh, yeah, diving deep.
That's right. We're talking the best money books out there.
Love it.
And we've got the cheat sheet, like the ultimate cheat sheet
Nice.
to building wealth. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to financial success, wow,
You've come to the right place.
you've come to the right place.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
Buckle up because we're about to break down the wisdom from What Will Make You Rich. Lessons from the best money books.
I'm excited for this one.
Yeah, me too. This is a good one. And you know what's so interesting about these books is they don't promise like this overnight.
Get rich quick kind of thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's not about that.
It's not about that. No Lambos,
Yeah.
no private jets. Not yet, anyway. But it's about these like timeless principles
Yes.
that anyone can use to kind of get their finances in order and build,
It's like a framework.
yeah, a framework for
Yeah.
real lasting wealth.
Absolutely.
Secret number 1, The Richest Man in Babylon. This book talks about this idea of paying yourself first. Now,
You've all heard this one.
we've all heard it right,
Yeah.
but like, how many of us actually do it?
Right. It's easy to say.
So easy to say,
It's hard to.
hard to do.
Yeah.
It's all about setting aside at least 10% of your income before you even think about
Spending anything else.
spending anything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I think the key here really is the discipline.
100%. The discipline it builds. Because, 10% might not seem like a lot right now, but,
Especially when you're starting out.
especially when you're starting out. But you know what? If you just automate it,
Oh, that's a good idea.
right, just automate that 10% transfer every time you get paid.
Yeah.
To a savings account or,
An investment portfolio or
investment portfolio. Yeah, and it builds that foundation,
slowly but surely.
slowly but surely.
Yeah, it's like
It-
building a muscle.
It is like building muscle. The more you do it,
The stronger you get.
the stronger you get. And then you start to think like, wow, okay, if I keep doing this, what could I do?
What could I do with all this money?
Yeah.
Could I get that dream house? Could I retire early,
Travel the world.
travel the world, eat all the tacos?
Yes. All the tacos.
And that kind of brings us to our next book,
Ooh, yes.
Your Money or Your Life,
Another good one.
which really gets us thinking about our relationship with money
In a whole new way.
in a whole new way. Right. It's not just about the stuff. It's about
Freedom.
freedom.
Yeah.
Freedom from the daily grind. Freedom
Right.
to chase your passions.
Yeah.
Freedom to just
Live life on your own terms.
live life on your own terms.
Yes.
So this one really resonated with me because
Yeah.
it's like, it's not just about being rich.
Right.
It's about what that wealth allows you to do.
Exactly.
But freedom, right?
Yeah.
Freedom means different things to different people.
Absolutely.
For some people, it's early retirement.
Yeah.
For others, it's, working less,
Spending time with family.
spending more time with family,
Yeah.
pursuing creative endeavors. I don't know.
Yeah.
What does financial
What
freedom,
does it look like to you?
what does it look like to you? That's the question.
Yeah. And that's what this book kind of really encourages you to think about. Like,
Yeah.
what do you actually want your life to look like?
Yeah.
And it even gets you to calculate your life energy, like literally the hours you spend working.
Yeah.
And you compare it to what you get in return.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And you compare it to what you get in return.
That's pretty intense.
Yeah. It can be a real eye-opener
I bet. But in order to achieve that freedom, you've got to understand the difference.
between assets.
Assets and
They're
liabilities. Yeah. Cue the music.
Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
This book changed my life.
This book changed my life. I remember reading this
Game changer.
and like my mind was blown. It completely shifted my perspective on money.
Yeah,
It's not about earning a lot. It's about what you do with what you earn.
exactly.
Rich Dad, Poor Dad teaches us to focus on building assets.
Things that put money in your pocket.
Things that put money in your pocket, not liabilities, which are things
They'll
that
take money out.
take money out. So let's give some concrete examples.
Okay, I like this.
A rental property that generates monthly income.
That's an asset.
That's an asset. A stock that pays dividends.
also an asset.
Also an asset. Even a blog or an online business.
Passive income.
That brings in passive income. That's an asset.
Uh-huh.
But what about that fancy new car
Ooh.
that you bought with a loan?
That's a liability.
That's a liability. What about that latest gadget?
Liability.
Liability. They drain your resources
Instead of building
instead of
value.
building them. And so it's about,
Creating a system.
yes, creating a system where
Money works for you.
money works for you, not the other way around. Mic drop. Now, let's talk about a book
Okay.
that honestly shattered some of my preconceived notions.
Ooh, tell me.
A Millionaire Next Door.
I love this book.
I always imagine millionaires
Living these lavish lifestyles.
lavish lifestyles,
Yeah.
private jets,
Yeah.
yachts,
Yeah.
yachts. But this book paints a very different picture.
It really does.
Yeah, it argues that most millionaires didn't get rich through, like,
Some crazy scheme
Yeah.
or overnight success.
they built their wealth
slowly
slowly
and steadily.
and steadily, often through
Kind of boring but reliable.
boring but reliable methods, like
Investing in index funds.
investing in index funds and letting
Compound interest.
compound interest work its magic.
And that's the secret sauce.
It's the secret sauce.
Right, compound interest. Einstein called it like the eighth wonder of the world or something like that.
Did he really?
I think so.
I'm going to have to fact check that.
Yeah. But the point is
The point is
that even small amounts invested consistently
it's gonna,
can grow like exponentially over time.
exponentially. It's crazy. It's like
It's like imagine a snowball
a snowball
rolling downhill
gathering more and more snow.
as it goes.
Yes.
That's the power of compounding.
It's the power of compounding. And that's why starting early is so important.
so important.
The earlier you start investing,
Even if it's a small amount,
even if it's just a little bit,
give that snowball time to grow.
yeah, give that snowball time to grow.
Yeah.
But what if you want to accelerate that growth?
Ooh. I like where this is going.
Right. That's where the 4-hour work week comes in.
Yes.
This book is a real challenge to the traditional 9-to-5 grind.
It is.
It encourages us to think outside the box and build
Multiple streams of income.
multiple streams of income. So
Yeah.
instead of just relying on your job,
You might have a side hustle.
you might have a side hustle, an online business, investments that generate
Passive income.
passive income. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket.
Diversify.
Diversifying, creating that safety net,
Exactly.
having more options.
Yeah, and it's all about like using your skills and your passions
Yeah.
to create those additional income streams.
Yeah. Like, for example, say you love to bake.
Okay.
Could you start an online bakery?
Ooh.
Could you teach virtual baking classes?
Yes.
What if you're a fitness enthusiast? Could you be a personal trainer?
Make workout videos.
Make workout videos. The possibilities are
Endless.
endless.
Yeah.
And it's easier than ever to do all this stuff,
Thanks to the internet.
thanks to the internet.
Yeah.
So what have we learned today from these money masters?
Big question.
Building wealth is a journey,
Not a destination.
not a destination. It's about setting goals
Make your smart choices.
and developing habits that support your
Financial well-being.
financial well-being. It's about discipline.
It is.
It's about investing in assets.
Absolutely.
It's about the magic
And
of
compound interest.
compound interest. But most importantly,
It's about
it's about defining what financial freedom means to you
to you.
and then taking
Lovely.
consistent action to achieve it.
Love it.
So that brings us to our final thought for today.
Ooh, yes.
What will you do today
to take that first step?
to take that first step? Will you automate your savings? Will you reevaluate your spending habits?
Will you start exploring a new income stream
The journey to financial freedom begins
with a single step?
with a single step. So
Yeah.
take it. You won't regret it.
You got this.
All right, that's it for this deep dive. Catch you next time.
See you later. Bye. Bye.